Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today we're doing a garden update, kind of showing you where we are at with our gardening for this season. This is the first update of the 2023. As you can see, our pumpkins are really starting to grow. Have a little bit of a dead stuff over there, but that's just because we've had so much rain over the last 2 weeks. Everything is just getting kind of overwatered in a way. Some of it likes it, some of it doesn't, but the pumpkins are really starting to grow, which makes my wife very happy. Now we're going to go on to our squash. All right, as you can see, we have our squash. As you can see, we have one there, another one there. The squash is really starting to grow. From years past, the squash has always grown a little bit slower, but when it does start growing, it grows very quick, and we can't wait. So we know what's coming. No, this guy right here is kind of struggling a little bit, but hoping he'll make it. But the squash is got some coming along. So now we're gonna go to the zucchini, which you're gonna see how crazy this is growing. So this is our zucchini, and it is growing like crazy. So we're gonna have a little shaky camera action here for a second, but just moving it. As you can see, we have a zucchini there, and we definitely have some more over there. The zucchini in our plant here grows like crazy, which is one of the things we love growing, and we can't get enough of it. And maybe what we'll do is the next time we're going to cook some zucchini up, we'll show you in a quick video just kind of how we cook our zucchini. But zucchini is growing great, like we knew it would. So now we're going to go on to our peas. All right, so my mom would ask me if I could plant some peas, and we did. So we got some growing here that are coming up great. We do have it in a wired to help with the growing. Peas are really starting to come through, getting a lot growing. So my mom is very happy about that. And in the same scene, I'm just going to move our camera over here. As you can see, our tomatoes are really starting to flourish, especially in the back. As you can see, we have some starting to grow there. Actually, right there, you can see we have a nice big tomato that is really starting to grow, which makes my wife very happy. And even in this first plant there, got a tomato right there. So definitely having the tomatoes are coming in. My wife is super excited about having them because she can use it for her salads, and we love cooking outside for burgers, and also too we can make our own sauce. So now we're going to go over to our sweet potatoes. So here's our sweet potatoes. They are growing, still really good. What we've learned that when they are growing, when they're ready to harvest, everything will die. So once we start getting that, we'll be getting our first sweet potatoes, and we will definitely show you a video on how that's going. But so far, everything is going really good for the sweet potatoes. So right now with our peppers, as you can see, they are starting to grow. Got another one here. So very excited about that. And we kind of have some other peppers starting to grow in over there, right around there. So excited for the peppers to be growing and have those coming so we can start using those to make fajitas and anything else. And we're going to pick the camera up. Right now, our cucumber is kind of wilting a little bit. We did give it some vitamins, so we're hoping that's going to help. But we do have some kind of cucumbers that are starting to grow, even right there. So the cucumbers are growing, but with all the rain, it's just got it. So, but we gave the cucumber some vitamins to try to help get them healthy. And then we're just going to kind of come in one shot. Our eggplant here, we kind of have some sprouts. So there's a flower right there. So hopefully we'll be getting some eggplants producing here. And now we're going to show you to the raised bed. Okay, these are our baby peppers that are really growing. Very good, very happy about it. And the wife is very happy with having seen the baby peppers. So going to be kind of curious to see. We kind of pan out here. We did harvest. I did post a picture on Instagram how much lettuce we got from this. And my wife is very impressed with what this is. And I think they're on sale at Costco right now. I think we paid 150 or 170. I don't remember, but I think they're discontinuing them. So I think you could get them for like $70. Now, my wife did plant some more buttersquash, so we'll see if that's going to come in. But Growing lettuce in this for the first year, we definitely learned some things that we can do better. The first thing is we had the plants and they grew very quickly, and my wife, we had it all at one time, so we gave some to the neighbors, and our neighbors grow stuff too, so we kind of trade, which is really cool. But what we're going to do for next season is we'll get like 2 plants, and then we're going to do some seeds in this box. But then if when we go to Costco, if they have another one of these, we're going to pick one of these up for next season. So then we'll be growing lettuce in stages. So pretty much, almost every month, and my wife will be able to have lettuce. So, but we learned this thing has worked like a charm, and that's it. That's the kind of the July, midsummer update of the garden. Hopefully you guys like that. Let me know if you guys are having success with your gardens, if you've had some good positive stuff growing, or if you've had any setbacks. We'll love to hear about it. And like I said, if you want to catch more pictures of how the garden is doing, check out my Instagram. So with that being said, hit the thumbs up if you like this video. And if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.